Reasons not to make video for your business, number 9. I literally don't know what to do. That's quite interesting for me, because what does that mean? Does it mean you don't know how to make a video? Does it mean you don't know what to say? You don't know how to edit it and put captions on it? You don't know where to put that video, what to do with it once you've made it? You don't know what strategy to run? If any of these apply to you, if you don't know what to do, just ask. You know, if you don't know what to say, ask me. And after 5 minutes, you'll have 20 things to say. If you don't know how to edit, ask me and I'll let you know. If you don't know how to create a video marketing strategy, ask me. I can help you with that too. If you don't know how to do something, all you have to do is ask.